Are you getting the most out of your Windows 11 experience? Here's a list of my top 5 favorite Windows 11 features that can save you time and help you stay organized. So, the first feature on my list is virtual desktops. If you get overwhelmed with having multiple windows and tasks and applications open at the same time at varying degrees of completion, virtual desktops may be the solution. This feature allows you to create separate desktops for different tasks and projects, helping you to stay organized and focused. All right, let's see how virtual desktops can work for us. So down here in the lower taskbar, I have a little box of a white button and a gray box, white and black gray boxes right here. That's going to bring up, or if I hover over top of that, the virtual desktop area. Now you'll see there's already one desktop, which is the primary desktop that I'm working on. But then I have opportunities to make another desktop. So what I can do is I can click the button for a new desktop. And this is going to create an entirely new workspace void of any other distractions that I don't want. So I'm going to click on this and open it up. And I may want to say, well, on this particular area, I may just want to focus on browsing. So I can put some things in here that I'm working on maybe. We'll take a look at the Eclipse path here coming up. I may want to tear one of those off and look at NASA coverage of Eclipse. Close that one out there. All right, so now I have a desktop that's solely dedicated to some browsing paths that I got here. I'm going to click on this button again and click on New Desktop. Comes up with a Desktop 3. So this one, I may want to focus on maybe just some editing that I'm working on. Let's see. So I'll bring up my CapCut. I may want to bring up my snipping tool. Bring that over here. Shrink that down. Maybe I've got some social media stuff that I want to bring up that I'm going to do some work in. All right. So again, here we go. I've got 3 desktops now. Now, what if I want to name these? Instead of desktop 2, desktop 3, I'm going to right click and click on rename. And I'm going to call this browsers. Desktop 3, I'm going to right click on, hit rename, call that editing. So if I go back to my first desktop, you'll notice that again, it's just focused on the things that I had up previously, nothing else. If I go to the browsers, you'll see that just the browsers are still up, as well as editing. I'm focused on just those areas. Simple enough. If I want to get rid of them, I click the X on those, and I'm back to my single desktop. The next feature on my list is Snap Layouts. This feature makes multitasking a breeze by allowing you to easily snap windows and applications into preset layouts. Say goodbye to resizing windows manually. Next on my list is widgets. Widgets provides personalized news, weather updates, and more right to your desktop, keeping you informed and up to date with just a glance. The news feeds and weather are based on your IP location and the regional settings within your Windows 11 experience. To customize widgets, open up the Widgets panel and click on the gear on the upper right-hand corner. From there, you have several options to choose from. You can discover new widgets, personalize the feed, add notifications or remove notifications, and so forth. Hey, and by the way, if you're getting value and enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and share this content with someone else who may benefit from it. Focus Assist is number 4 on my list. This handy feature silences notifications and distractions, allowing you to concentrate on your work without interruptions. And if you're like me, you need all the help you can get. In my settings, I have several options to show the timer clock, hide badges, hide flashing taskbar apps, and turn on Do Not Disturb. I can also customize the notifications so that I can tell it what notifications I want to have come through and what notifications I do not want to come through when Focus is turned on. Once Focus is configured, you can turn it on and off in your Widgets app. Lastly, we have the redesigned Start menu. It's never been easier to customize your Start menu with pinned apps, recommended content, and more, making it easier than ever to access your favorite tools and applications with just a single click. If I wanted to customize my Start menu, I can come down here to the search bar and type in Start, look for Start Settings, and I can customize the look and feel of the Start menu. I can turn on or off the recently added apps, most used apps, showing the recently opened apps, and folders. At the bottom here, I have my recommended or recently opened folders and files. If there's an icon or an application that I would like to have that is not listed here, I can click on the All Apps button. Now let's say I want to use Excel or Word. I can right click on one of those, I'll say Excel, and I can pin that to the start. And let's put Word on there as well. Right click, pin to start. Now if I go back, I may have to scroll down, but there they are. There we go. I should be able to drag those to the top. Go down and drag Excel carefully to the top. And there we are. Now I can also group applications that are pinned. So for example, if I wanted to put all my browsers in one grouping, I can just grab it and drag it over on top of the other one. And that looks familiar. A lot. That looks a lot like iOS, maybe. So I can click on there and I can edit this name here and call it browsers. Folder for browsers. And that is the redesigned Start menu. Well, that wraps up my list of my top 5 favorite Windows 11 features. There's so much more we haven't even begun to scratch the surface on. So please be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons so that you're alerted when new videos like this one are posted. My name is Steve, the host of your technology coach. Thanks for watching.